I got myself a mac and cheese. This is my first meal of the day, and I have been to so many Christmas markets, and they all smell like Christmas markets. I mean, I've been to Christmas markets all around the world, right? And they all smell the same, but I'm still enjoying it. I just arrived in Edinburgh, and I'm just gonna discover the city a little bit. I see some Glühwein and some, you know, German stuff. German Krakauer. I mean, the Germans are famous for their Christmas markets, but now I'm just enjoying my mac and cheese with fried onion. This mac and cheese tastes so good. So I was just talking to the security guy, and he explained me that this castle sits on a volcano, and that this street right here in the back of me, whoa, that this street was the only street that ever existed when they first built the city, and then they built everything around it. So first it was the castle, and then just this street. Those stone houses over there are about 4,000 years old, or what was it, 400, 500? I forgot already. I'm so bad. But I don't know, I feel so like so cute in the city. Is that weird? Is that a weird feeling to feel in a city? Feeling cute? Such a long time. I mean, these are the moments I live for. I can't believe I'm totally alone here. You can't even fish here. I got a rod. So wow, I'm so blown away. Look at that. I mean, you know, I know a lot of people sometimes doubt that van life is just this picture perfect Instagram, and I'm telling you, it's not just that. But these are the moments, you know, that I appreciate even more when you get to see them, because you cannot park here normally. I mean, you could not be here and sleep where you want. And I'm not glorifying van life to any reason. I mean, yeah, it has its sides and it has its good or bad sides. Whatever bad and good means, you know, it's all perspective. It all depends on what you find bad. If you feel like peeing in a bush or not showering that often bad, then yeah, it's not your thing, I guess. But if you know, you can go through like some hygienic issue or parking in some grocery store park spots, whatever. But this is the moment when you travel and you sit down and you just have your peace. And you just get to see that. And to be honest, I am so passionate about, not van life, I'm passionate about having the possibility to do that. I'm so passionate about, you know, looking out to that. And it's freezing, and I'm passionate about the mess, because, you know, that's what happens sometimes. And I'm passionate about every little bit of it. And I think this is when you know this is for you, because it still gets me excited, still gets me happy, as if it was the same time whenever I find a beautiful spot like that. It's just incredible. But I just wanted to say that, you know, because I know there are some people out there doubting about van life being perfect or not perfect, but you know what perfect means? It's your perception. It's your perception of perfect. Because this mess, peeing, I don't know, in the corner right there, pooping in the corner right there, and then put it into the trash, I mean, or dig it. That is all my passion. Is that weird? Yeah, I guess so, but it's the truth. And and it's just what it is, you know. It's what it is. Like everybody, I look horrible by the way. 3 days without shower, but who gives a fuck? Right? It's just about having fun and like seriously getting to see so many places. That is all I ever wanted for. Yeah, it's not perfect, but what lifestyle is perfect? I mean, it's living in a house can also be not perfect or not real. I don't know what that ever means. You know what is real van life to me? When you just live in a van. I know sometimes YouTubers or Instagrammers portray maybe a certain way of look of how things are supposed to be, or how van life is portrayed. But at the end of the day, it's like art, you understand? You don't necessarily think about those moments when you're crying to go out and put the camera like, oh, you know, it's not real in that moment. And normally it's like you feel happy, you feel excited, and you want to share it. And that's, you know, these moments I share with you. Of course, you know me, I also share my bad moments with you, but I don't think about it immediately to get out the camera to film every little part of my life, right? But you know me, I'm a confused person, so anyway, so much said to that. I'm sorry, but what? Oh, this is so sick. Jingle bells time, swell time, and then a one-horse sleigh. I've been wearing this sweater. I always look so ugly on YouTube. Like I can actually look really pretty, but I never bother. At least when I'm alone, or I don't, you know, when I'm just chilling, I always look like a drug dealer. What was I about to say? Really, I forgot already. So as you see, this is a complete mess here right now. I hope Penyo didn't run away with the other dog. No. Penyo! Oh, he's gonna be fine. We're really alone here, so normally he doesn't run away. He always stays close. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing. Da 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 ring. Da 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 da. This is a little bit old and nasty. This goes to the trash. I'm that person who is helpless with lyrics. It's all mindset, people, you know. Living in a van life is appreciating what you have and not looking at the bad side of it. It's practice, you know. It's practice to look at the things in life, no matter where you are right now, and be positive about it. And if you're not happy about it, well, you have to change it, because there's no reason or no need to complain about this or that and this and that, because if you don't change it, then it doesn't make any sense to complain, right? It's just talking, and what does it get you? Nowhere. I promise you, when you stop complaining, your life will change, and you can see every little thing that goes wrong in your life, and you can just tackle it with so much positivity and so much strength and power. And that's what we all want, right? Why do you want to sabotage your life by focusing on all the bad or negative? I'm not a fan about this discussion about what is real, what is supposed to be in society, what is van life, what is veganism. Like, you just do you, and when you're happy with that, that's awesome. And never expect anybody to be exactly like you. At the end of the day, it's about living your own best life. But I guess some people, they love being negative, and that's okay as well, you know. They enjoy putting others down, and they enjoy doing this and that, sabotage others or bring negativity to others. You know, everybody decides for themselves, so it's okay. And the only thing I can do is decide if I want to hang around with that person or not. So now you saw me cleaning all the time. I'm pretty much done. I was wearing this sweater for 4 days in a row, and yesterday it was so dirty that I was washing it in the sink, and it took so much water. Oh wow, the sunset is over there, and there it's already dark.
She's not completely unfortunate looking.
Hello, ladies. Hey there. How you doing?
I always cook too much.
Steal the bastard back.
Internship spots.
Do you know what that is for? It's a strap. I always had it in the van, but I never wear it too often. It's to make you sit straight, because I've been all curling up.
Why is that?
I would rather have a client who's innocent.
Dare to dream, Miss Woods.
Who's first? Our group is full.
A beautiful good morning, everybody. I am living in the cleanest van. Whoa, you know, I am still out here. I'm still out here in that little lake. Let me show you. Yesterday was beautiful. Today is very, very, very rainy and windy. I have 2 water canisters, and I want to fill it up with the water outside, so I can just, you know, have a shower from that water without buying water, which is amazing. I also have a trash that I have to get rid of. First I need to wear socks and a coat. Let me see. I probably spend every day cleaning 1 hour at least. 1.5 hours of cleaning mostly. I think every day after I cooked, after I drove, to maintain a good and comfortable van. Because I don't know why people think you have to live dirty. If I live in a house, I don't live in the house dirty as well, so I'll make the effort to clean my house, right? Okay, let me get the jacket out. It's underneath the bed. Underneath. Penny doesn't like the rain too much either, to be honest. He has a little coat. It's so cute. But he doesn't like to go out with it. Right? Okay. I'm gonna throw the trash out. You're gonna come with me, right? Into the rain. Cool. Hello, Penny, what are you doing here? Are you trying to steal food again? Are you trying to steal food again, or are you just pretending to be all cute? Okay, now we have to fill up the water bottle. That's gonna be some. This is for the shower tonight. Better take these off, they'll get wet. It must be an easy solution. Is it seawater? It's seawater! Oh no! Tastes a bit salty. That doesn't make any sense to wash myself with seawater. Ah! I didn't know it was seawater. Actually, I should have known, because on the map it was connected to the sea, so it just makes sense. Unless it just flows one way, you know. If it flows one way, then it just goes out to the sea. I still have to go to a coffee store now to edit a video, actually. That's my life, you know. Going. No, Penny. Oh, let's close the window. So yeah, my life consists of traveling, but then a lot of times I spend in coffee stores to edit for you. Let me turn the heater off as well. Okay. It's a holly jolly Christmas. Oh wait, let me see, there was a coffee store. So I have to get the water somewhere else for tonight's shower. Because I really need a shower. It's been already 3 days or 4 days. I normally tend to wash every second day. Every second or every third. I think it's the third day now. But since in winter my hair doesn't get so oily, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm gonna drive now.